Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing transmission lines on a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 using LinesToGo part number TCL-216. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made from G2 Galfan coated steel tubing for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 19mm socket and ratchet, 10mm and 16mm wrenches, Phillips screwdriver, quick disconnect tool, LinesToGo part number 5230-01, drain pan, jack and jack stands. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Please note that some sections of this video show the lines being made out of stainless steel. However, they have been redesigned and are now only available in G2 Galfan coated steel line. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm wrench. Raise and support the vehicle and remove the right front wheel using a 19mm socket. Use a Phillips blade screwdriver to remove the 6 screws that secure the right front inner fender. Remove the right front inner fender from the vehicle. At the front of the right front inner fender, use a quick disconnect tool, LinesToGo part number 5230-01, to disconnect the 2 cooler lines from the cooler connection. Underneath the vehicle, at the passenger side of the transmission, use a 16mm wrench to remove the 2 threaded fittings from the transmission. If the cooler fittings are seized into the threaded bushings, you may need to cut the line and remove the fitting after using a socket. Remove any plastic retaining clips that are securing the lines. Remove the 2 transmission lines from the vehicle. These lines can be removed through the right front wheel well or out the front from underneath the vehicle. However, we found it easiest to remove them from the wheel well. To begin the installation of your new LinesToGo transmission cooler lines, start by installing the outlet line labeled B into position. Connect the front quick connect fitting to the top cooler connection. Start the rear threaded fitting into the top bushing in the transmission and tighten using a 16mm wrench. Next, install the LinesToGo inlet cooler line labeled A into position. Connect the front quick connect fitting to the bottom cooler connection. Start the rear threaded fitting into the bottom bushing in the transmission and tighten using a 16mm wrench. Connect the lines to the plastic retaining brackets. Replace the right front inner fender back into position and use a Phillips blade screwdriver to tighten the 6 screws that secure it. Replace the right front wheel and torque to your manufacturer's recommended torque spec using a 19mm socket. Replace the negative battery terminal and secure it using a 10mm wrench. With the vehicle running in park on a flat level surface, check the transmission fluid level and top it up as required. This concludes the installation of transmission cooler lines on a 2002 Dodge Ram 1500 using LinesToGo part number TCL-216. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992, email us at info@linestogo.com, or check out our website link below. Don't forget to take advantage of our free next day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you in our next video.